Hello TL Travelers, and welcome back to the TL Travel YouTube channel. Today I have something that I am so excited to share with you guys. If you can't already tell, I am not in my usual locale, but I am still in Edmonton. So something that we have been working on and has been highly requested by you guys is a little bit of Edmonton content, because really, that's where I live, that's where I'm at. And you guys are always sending me direct messages on Instagram asking me where to eat in Edmonton, what to do in Edmonton, where to stay in Edmonton. So for this video, I have partnered with Metterra Hotel on Whyte Avenue, as well as Soulmates Broadcast and Cute YEG Eats on Instagram. So check those guys out as well. I will leave their links in the description bar below. And we are going to be taking the next couple of videos to explore the Whyte Ave, Old Strathcona area of Edmonton, what to do, what to eat, and of course, where to stay. So with that said, we are going to start out with a little tour of my Air Studio Suite here at Metterra on Whyte, and then we are going to be heading to the second floor lounge for some complimentary wine and appetizers, because who doesn't love complimentary wine and appetizers? And then of course we have a special dinner planned, so if you are a foodie, just wait, because I don't think you're gonna be disappointed. So here is a little overview of the Air Studio Suite that I have here at Metterra on Whyte. I absolutely love how much space there is in this suite, and the fact that there is a sleeping area and then also a separate sort of entertainment area divided by this beautiful glass partition that really lets the light in when the curtains are open from the veranda. A couple of unique things to note about this room is that it comes with a yoga mat for you to use for like a morning yoga practice, if that's something that you're into. And then of course in the bathroom we have our standard hotel amenities, everything from soaps to mouthwash, and of course shampoo and body wash. And as I mentioned earlier, we are not here alone. So if you are interested in checking out one of Metterra's larger suites, I encourage you to hop on over to the Soulmates Broadcast YouTube channel, and they'll be able to give you a more comprehensive overview of the suite that they have, along with their experience at this beautiful Whyte Ave hotel. So enough talking for me. Let's go have some wine.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
And we are back at the room. I have never eaten so much food in my life, and it was so delicious. Anyone who knows me knows that I'm not even really like a big pizza person. Like, that's not really my jam. So when we were talking about doing like a pizza night or like an Italian food night, I thought, okay, well, like Italian food, they'll have pasta, maybe I'll do pasta. But when I got there, I was gently convinced that pizza was the way to go, because apparently they have won awards for their delicious pizza, and I was not at all disappointed. It was so good, and we had appetizers that were so delicious, and cocktails and desserts. Their chocolate cake, I can't even. So now I am back at the room and just getting ready for some sleep. It has been a long first day here at the Metterra Hotel on Whyte Avenue in Edmonton, and I'm thinking it's probably wise for me to just tuck in and get like a good full night's rest, because for the next few days I'm going to be right here exploring all of the Whyte Ave and Old Strathcona area just for you guys. So if you have not already hit that subscribe button, definitely do it. We post new travel content every Thursday and Sunday, and we are so excited to be sharing this whole staycation adventure with you guys right here on the TL Travel YouTube channel. Until next time, stay great, travel safe, and I will see you then. Bye guys.